When the leaves on your potato plant start to kind of turn yellow and brown and die back, that's when you know your main crop potatoes are ready to harvest. You can use a pitchfork or another tool to lift up the plants, or if you've got really nice, rich, organic soil or sandy soil, you can even pull the plants up just by the stem. There's always going to be some potatoes left in the ground. So what you want to do is use your hands and very gently just probe around in the soil and pull out what you can find. It's better to use your hands rather than a tool, because you might end up cutting some potatoes in half and they won't store well that way.